In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off notifications on Reddit. If your phone or inbox has been buzzing a little too much, this quick walkthrough will help you take back control so you only see what matters. Start by logging into your Reddit account. Once you're in, look to the top right of the screen for your profile icon. This is the small avatar you use on Reddit. Click it to open the menu and choose Settings. On the Settings page, you'll see several tabs along the top. Click the one labeled Notifications. This is the hub where you can manage every alert in one place. Inside the Notifications tab, everything is organized into clear groups: General, Messages, Activity, Updates, and Moderation. These sections make it easier to find exactly what you want to silence. For example, things like upvotes on your posts and comments typically appear under Activity, while direct messages and chat requests are under Messages. Site news and product announcements fall under Updates, and if you help run communities, moderation alerts live under Moderation. To turn something off, find the specific notification you no longer want, let's say upvotes on your posts, and click it. A small panel will open with three choices: All On, Inbox, or All Off. Here's what they mean. All On delivers every alert for that item. Inbox keeps it quieter by placing the alert only in your Reddit inbox, so you can check it on your own time. All Off disables that notification entirely. If your goal is complete silence for that item, choose All Off, then click Save to confirm. If you skip save, your change may not stick. Repeat that same process for any other notifications you'd like to disable. Move through the categories one by one, selecting All Off and saving as you go. You don't have to turn everything off. Feel free to keep important alerts set to inbox so you won't be interrupted but can still review them later. A couple of quick tips to help. If you're unsure where a particular alert lives, glance at the short descriptions beneath each item. They'll guide you. And remember, nothing here is permanent. If you change your mind, just come back to the Notifications tab and switch a setting to Inbox or All On. Your updates take effect right away. Once you've saved your choices, you're all set. Enjoy a calmer Reddit experience that fits your preferences, and that's it.